Hi, this is a follow-on video from sowing the garlic cloves. Well, these were sown in the spring, so this is us obviously harvesting them. You can tell that when they're ready to harvest is the bottom two leaves are usually the first ones to start going brown. The reason that you wait until a leaf starts to go brown is because these leaves will start from the bulb underground, the bulb that you use when you're cooking. And when they start to die back, that is when it starts to harden and protect the bulb underground. So if you do this too early, it affects the storage capabilities of it. And if you do it too late, the bulbs can be too big, the skin will split. So it's the same problem either way. But if you do it too early, they'll be tiny little cloves and won't be much use in using them. So let's dig this, try to dig it out. And this is it. You should ideally be doing this when it's dry because it makes it a lot easier for you, but we live in Scotland and it's wet all the time, so it's a bit hard. This is our garlic. I think we planted this about February, March time. It's now end of June. So this is what it should be like here. The leaves, as you can see, are brown. The bottom ones, it's quite a decent size and the skin started to harden. So what we'll do next with these is that we'll cure them, which means just keeping them upside down, hanging them up in a cool, dry place with good airflow. That means that they just store for months over winter as well, and it really keeps you going through the winter for fresh garlic that you've grown yourself instead of going to the shop. So I hope that's helped, but my colleague Les did do a pretty good one about how to do garlic cloves, so you should watch that if you don't know how to sow them for autumn time. And I hope this, if you have any questions, contact us. Thank you.